Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back again. Beginners often ask, what if a new coin replace Bitcoin? Logical question, because it's technology, all right? New things get innovated all the time. But Bitcoin isn't just a software. That's the difference. Bitcoin is a network. Once a network reaches a certain size, it becomes almost impossible to replace. Today, I want to show you why Bitcoin is impossible to replace. The fact of the matter is, Bitcoin isn't the strongest because it is the newest. Bitcoin is the strongest because it's the most adopted, most secure, and most decentralized. And once you understand how network effect works, you will see why no altcoin can catch up. Bitcoin strength comes from something simple actually. The more people use it, the stronger it becomes. This is called the network effect. But here's what Bitcoin has that no other coin can match. One, millions of users worldwide. Every new user increases Bitcoin value and security. Two, the largest mining network. More miners equal to more security equal to harder to attack. Three, the most decentralized nodes, NODES. Nodes enforce the rules. Bitcoin has overwhelming more nodes than any other coin. Fourth, the largest brand trust. People trust Bitcoin because it has survived everything: clashes, attacks, bans. And finally, the Lindy effect. The longer something survives, the longer it's expected to survive. And put all these together, you will get a network that's too big, too secure, and too trusted to replace. And here's the part beginners will love. A new coin can copy Bitcoin code, but it can't copy Bitcoin's community, miners, nodes, liquidity, or trust. Those things take years to build. And Bitcoin already has a 16-year head start. That's why Bitcoin can't be replaced. Not because it's perfect, but because it's too big to catch up. So the next time someone say a new coin will replace Bitcoin, you know why, right? Bitcoin isn't just technology, it's a global network. And networks don't get replaced by smaller networks, right? Look at Google, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia. They all have global network effects which are now too big to be replaced. They have all gone through the volatile years, without which there would be no upside also. In today's market, everything depends on network effect. Something we must learn going forward. Right? Hope you learned from today's episode. See you next video. Bye bye.